Do subscribe my channel, never miss my updates. Raghu Neat Tutorial.
Hi, welcome to all. Welcome to my channel Raghu Neat Tutorial. Today we are discussing about the nutritional disorders. So the nutritional disorders are majorly caused by the deficiency of nutrients or nutrients. So according to the deficiency of nutrients, there is a two types of disorders, and nothing but two types of diseases are there. For the overnutrition disorders and less nutrients disorders. What are they? Overnutrient disorders and less nutrients disorder. First one is less nutrients disorder. Less nutrients disorder. Second one is overnutrient disorder. Overnutrients. When they consume overnutrients, it is also leads into one of the disease. So first one, the less nutrients are in your diet, that is known as a less nutrient disorder, is commonly known as a malnutrients. Commonly known as malnutrient disorders. Malnutrients disorders. Now we are discussing about the less nutrient disorders. So what is the less nutrient disorder? The imbalance of nutrients in your diet, that is leads into malnutrients or malnutrient disorders. What are they? The imbalance of nutrients. Imbalance of nutrients are there in our diet. That is leads into what are they? What is the less nutrient disorders are known as a malnutrient disorders. So there is a different kind of malnutrient disorders are there. We are discussing about one by one. First one is kwashiorkor disorder. The kwashiorkor disorder, it is a severe protein deficiency. It is one of the severe protein nutrient deficiency. It is a deficiency of proteins. Deficiency of proteins in diet. There is a deficiency of proteins in our diet, that is leads into kwashiorkor. So these are majorly appears, this kwashiorkor disease majorly affects in up to 1 to 4 year children. This disease majorly affects on children. It is effects on children. Why? Because the growing period of the time is what is childhood. Children's up to 1 to 4 years. The 1 to 4 year children are majorly effects of the kwashiorkor disease. The majorly which one is absent? There is a less amount of the protein. We know that the protein is one of the building blocks of the human body. So if there is no protein, the body is never able to form nothing but a proper structure. So the deficiency of protein, it is the imbalance of the hormones. It is every protein is one of the hormone, but every hormone is not a protein. Like that principle, the proteins are also act like one of the hormones. So deficiency of the proteins, so there is no improper development of their maturity levels. So there is no development of their mentally and physically. The next one, the symptoms of kwashiorkor. The symptoms of kwashiorkor, majorly these are effects of protein. The symptoms is a weakness in children's. They're completely weak. Or lethargy. Lethargy means lazy in condition. These are lethargy or lazy children's. And next one, it is a thin body, but abdominal region is bulgy. Abdominal region is bulgy in condition. Nothing but bulgy means it is having one of the what is that the bulgy. The oedema. What is that? Oedema in hands and legs. Oedema in hands and legs. Oedema, hands and legs. There is a protein deficiency. These are very less IQ. The children are very less IQ. Less IQ, intelligent quotient. Very less IQ and very less BMR, basal metabolic rate is very less. BMR, basal metabolic rate is also very less. These children are majorly effects of continuous diarrhea. Continuous diarrhea. Continuous diarrhea. The death causing up to 1 to 3 years. This leads into death. The deficiency of protein, in your diet. If the continuously the deficiency in their the continuous deficiency in their diet, the children leads into death up to 1 to 2 years. Death up to 1 to 3 years. That is a majorly caused by the protein deficiency. There is no There is no proper balancing of the hormone. There is no muscle mass development. There is no proper weight. Nothing but the complete weight loss. Weight loss. So this is a complete information about the kwashiorkor. The kwashiorkor is one of the disease. Majorly, it is one of the severe problem. Nothing but severely protein deficiency. The severe protein deficiency children are effects of the kwashiorkor disease. So that is a proteins deficiency. The effects on children up to 1 to 4 years of this. What is the symptoms? The weakness in children, completely their weakness, cannot able to do any works. In lethargy or lazy in condition, the thin body, but their body is completely thin. There is no muscle mass. The body is completely thin, but the abdominal region is bulgy. The abdominal region is completely bulgy, and the ribs are completely appear. Ribs are appear, and ribs are easy to visible. Second one is marasmus. It is also one of the malnutrient disease. So in this, the severe deficiency of protein, carbohydrate and fats. It is completely severe deficiency of what are the protein? Incompletely in 3. Protein, what are the fats and carbohydrates. These 3 are completely deficient in children, so that is known as a marasmus. In kwashiorkor, only effects of the protein. Nothing but effects means there is only deficiency of the protein that is causing to kwashiorkor. But in the marasmus, there are completely absence of nothing but the deficiency of the protein, fats and carbohydrate that is causing to marasmus. It is majorly effects on children's up to 1 years, nothing but the early age. The early, these are effects of the marasmus in children's. First one, the symptoms of marasmus. The symptoms of marasmus, these are completely lazy. These are very lazy. Lazy children's. Very weak body. Very weak body means these are completely deficiency of protein deficiency, fat deficiency and carbohydrates. So the body is completely weak. There is no muscle mass on legs and hands. There is no muscle mass on legs and hands. The BMR level is low. BMR rate low, nothing but less. It is less BMR. The continuous diarrhea. Continue diarrhea. Continue diarrhea. Next one. The thin body. Thin body. In this condition, these are children effects of the three nutrients. Three major nutrients are known as the protein, carbohydrates and fats. The protein deficiency, it is only one deficiency of the protein, it is known as the kwashiorkor. But in this condition, the children effects of the three nutrients, nothing but deficiency of the three nutrients. In this condition, the children completely effects of most critical in position. What is the critical means? A very dangerous in position. The body is never forming a proper way. Nothing but there is no proper structure. Nothing but the protein is absent. There is no development of the hormones. If it is there is no development of the hormones, the organs are never do work in a proper way. There is no fat means there is no reservoir of the fat, reservoir of the energy. So the metabolic activities are completely will become low. The carbohydrates are very less. So the children is completely in lazy in condition. So in this condition, the marasma children are very less chance to survive. Third one is xerophthalmia. It is a deficiency of vitamin A. Vitamin A. And vitamin C, nothing but known as scurvy. Vitamin C. These are the most number of the disorders are there. We are already discussing. The beriberi. It is causing by vitamin B1. The pernicious anemia. This pernicious anemia is caused by vitamin B12. It is the formation of RBC. This majorly affects on nerves and what are the muscles. These are effects on eye and retina. These are effects on skin. So these are what is that? Malnutrient disorders. Malnutrient disorders are known as what are they? Kwashiorkor, marasmus, xerophthalmia, scurvy, beriberi and pernicious anemia. Now overnutritional disorder. What is the overnutritional disorder? Means the deposition of excess amount of the nutrition in our body, that is leads into overnutritional disorder. The excess amount of the nutrients or deposition of the nutrients. Are you right anything? Or depositation of nutrients in our body, that is leads into overnutrition disorder. First one is obesity. The obesity is nothing but the deposition of the excess amount of the nutrients in our body, that is called the deposition of excess amount of nutrition or nutrients are in our body, that is leads into obesity. Means these are completely stored in our body as a glycogen form. Carbohydrates are converted into glycogen form. The remaining all are converted into fat form. Nothing but these are completely stored in a fat, are known as a obesity. Okay. In this condition, it is the obesity is majorly not comes to the overeating. It is also from the genetical disease. It is also sometimes it is one of the genetical disorder. Sometimes it is one of the genetical disease also, from hereditary characters. So what is the symptoms of obesity? The deposition of fats in subcutaneous membrane, but adipose tissue. So that condition is called obesity. First one, the symptoms. What is the symptoms of obesity? First one, the overweight, knee pains, joint pains, knee pains and joint pains. Some amount of the cholesterol, it is deposition on heart region, it is leads into heart attacks. So this is symptoms of obesity. What is the obesity? The deposition of the excess amount of the nutrients in our body, that is converts into cholesterol. That condition is called obesity. What is the storage of the fat in adipose tissue or subcutaneous membrane region? The symptoms are overweight, knee pains, joint pains and heart attacks. It is also one of the genetical disorder. Some condition, it is one of the hereditary character also. Next one is fluorosis. Second one is fluorosis. What is the fluorosis? Excessive amount of the fluorine is deposition in our body. That condition is called fluorosis. In this condition, the bones are completely shown in proper structure. Shown a proper structure. Improper structure. Improper structure. Like a dome shape. The deposition of the, what is the deposition of the fluorine in our body? That condition, it is called fluorosis. What is the damaging of teeth and bones? The major effects of the kidneys. The filtration of the fluorine, the major effects of the kidneys. The symptoms, the most number of the fluorosis patients are effects of the kidney failures. What is the failure of the kidney? Kidney failure patients. Failures. Next one, the teeth are turns into yellow color, yellowish color. The excess amount of the fluorine. The next one, vitamin A. The excess amount of the vitamin A, nothing but over mineralization. Over mineralization. What is that? Vitamin A. The excess amount of the vitamin A in our body, the body will become swelling. Swelling of body organs. Swelling of the organs. So this is the overnutrition disorders. Today we are discussing about the complete detailed information about the malnutrition disorders and overnutritional disorder. The another session we are discussing about the disorders of the digestive system. Thank you.